Hello everyone, welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I am Sakshi and in this session we are about to discuss the examination pattern for Combined Defense Services exam, that is also known as serious exam, right? So as you all know, in order to clear the examination you need to have a clear-cut idea about the examination pattern, the marking scheme and everything so that you can prepare better for your exam. So in this session we are going to discuss the total overview of this exam. And later on, we'll discuss about the scheme of examination and the total number of paper in this serious exam, right? After that, we will discuss the marking scheme, the total marks allotted to each paper, the negative marking, everything. And after that, we will discuss about the important instruction for serious exam. So let's start with the overview of the examination. So the Combined Defense Service exam, it is a national level exam which is organized by UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission, and the commission, they recruit the candidates for Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy and Indian Air Force Academy. Or for all these three academies, the UPSC conducts serious exam, and the exam happens 2 times in a year through the offline mode, which is also known as the written test, which means exam will be offline. The exam will not be online, right? Now coming to the scheme of this particular exam. So basically there are 2 phases of serious exam. First is the written exam and second is the interview. We are talking about the written examination scheme. So under the serious, there are 3 papers. First paper is of English, which is coded as 01. The exam time allotted for English section is 9 AM to 11 AM usually, which makes the total duration for English section 2 hours. And the marks allotted to this particular section are 100. Now coming to the general knowledge, that is paper 2, which is coded as 02. It usually happens around 12 PM to 2 PM. And similarly, 2 hours allotted to this particular section as well. Also, 100 marks are given to this section. Now, the third portion is of elementary mathematics, which is coded as 03. And it happens around 3 PM to 5 PM. And that is 2 hours allotted to this particular section as well. And the total marks allotted to mathematics are 100, which makes the total marks for all the 3 papers for entire written exam of serious will be 300. And the total duration will be 6 hours. Now coming to the interview will be of 300 marks. Now coming to the marking scheme, and this is the most important thing. So guys, marking scheme is different for elementary mathematics and English and GS section. For English and GX, the number of questions will be asked from both the section will be 120. And the total marks allotted, as I told you, 100 and 100. Which makes for each correct answer you will get 0.83 marks. But there is a negative marking of 1/3 mark, that is 1/3 of the total marks allotted to each question. So for each incorrect answer, 0.27 marks will be deducted. Now if a candidate has given more than one answer, it will be treated as a wrong answer, and in case if you have left the question blank, which means no answer is given, then there will be no penalty at all. Now coming to the mathematics section, so the total number of questions asked in this section maths are 100, and I told you total marks allotted are 100, which means for each correct answer you will get 1 marks, and for each incorrect answer 1/3 of this particular mark will be deducted, that is 0.33 mark will be deducted. Okay, please keep this in mind, right? Now the total questions from all the 3 sections, English, GK and elementary mathematics, will be 340 and total marks are 300. Okay, now coming to the most important instructions that you need to follow. First thing is the paper will be of objective type questions only. It will be in the MCQ type. That means in question paper, 1 question will be given to you. After that, 4 options will be given to you. You need to choose the correct option and mark that in your OMR sheet. Alright. Now, the most important thing is question paper, those are known as test booklets, and that too of general knowledge and elementary mathematics will be in both the languages, Hindi and English. But for the English section, the language will be English only. Okay. Next thing is candidate must write the paper in your own hand. In no circumstances will they be allowed to help the scribe to write answer for them. Another important point is Commission have the discretion to fix qualifying marks in any or all the subject in the examination. That means cutoff will be decided by Commission only, and use of calculator or any other mathematical or logarithmic table is totally prohibited in this exam. Now guys, this is all about the serious examination pattern and important instructions that you need to follow. And let me tell you, just one step away from attaining your goal. You just need a proper strategy and a proper guidance. And all of this you can get by downloading a mobile app and enrolling to our CDS courses. So hurry up, download a mobile app from Google Play Store. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, stay motivated. Jai Hind.